Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about Operation Tudula. It is back again. We know that Operation Tudula kuyayenza ama-headlines few years back is ilwa nabantu abase South Africa abengeze kungekho emthethweni. They are not saying all foreigners should go, guys. Let's just make this point clear. They are saying everyone who's here illegally should go back to their countries, guys. So Operation Tutula, there's a video that is making clips. I'm not sure whether it's actually today or last week, but they were not allowing abantu bangaphandle bangene clinic. They were standing at the gate. They're saying if ungene clinic ungene uphethe your South African ID. So if awuna ID bangakuthathi bathi you are not allowed to ungena clinic, guys. Let me just put a video, then I'll come back.
We never hit anyone. We never even tried to hit anyone. Hence, the CEO came here, the guys from Department of Health, and we told them the same story, that what we are doing here, we are implementing Immigration Act 13 of 2002, Section 17. Yes. Right? You, as law enforcers, actually, right now, if I was a person of authority, I would actually instruct you to implement Section 37 to check the legality of these people here, and then you deport them. Yeah. Right now, if I was a law enforcer, you are going to enforce Section 37 of this country. Yes. Yes. So how fit it then? Yes, give it okay. What's your name? Yeah.
Mara, okay, Mara, again, totally can understand. Mara, not taking on the coring, the threat, and I listen. I understand. Ukata mutu, I could allow to again totai. Then achieve the blame, I could allow something. Achieve the blame, Markelon.
No, rotorisa SA government. Why Baba Toheta Pitile Kopotarim? Because the reason why we have got the border authority management is for a reason. The reason why we've got people that are expected to do their job there at the border, it's for a reason. They are getting paid for Merokoba protect our tax money. These people must not come here. So they come here and then the next thing little blame Aruna when Basabe from the border. So Rona right down to government. Lebato Heta Fitch Juang. More committing Taron.
So our duties to make sure we prevent and to before it's a because I can't no, can't something. It's a good way. But to prevent that such thing, you can keep a distance. Now I'm not understand. As much as I would tell you, you can just allow maybe 2 people to stand here. I will recall
okay, it's fine. We can work on it. But also, this thing again, because it's crime stats said 60%. Yeah. But why longer the community crime in Joburg? 60% foreigners. It was Zimbabweans on top of the list. Balateleki Mozambicans and Nigerians. Lona as law enforcement officials that are being paid by the taxpayer South Africans. Listen to illegal immigrants. The resources are on. Hardly visa leralna divine. Listen to Nigeria, Zimbabweans. Are we doing the same things in their country? No, we're not. So, Hona no Batagese government Luna, Romela Morocco oversight to confirm or we are not hitting everyone. Mara, Rona, we want government, SA government to come here to tell us why are these people here. Luna.
Bazala bamzitho, this shows, if you're watching this video, this shows with how South African police or how South African laws they protect foreigners ngendlela yokuthi abakwazi nokufihla. Cabanga amaphoyisa azosuka epolice station eze azolunto yokuthi nawa abantu kuthiwa bayenza mabasuke babuyele makubo. And foreigners, the way they trust South African police, they had got to pursue to a police clinic by a police station because they knew good they are the police azobalwela ukuthi angene a clinic and they have all the rights ukuthi by a clinic. Just imagine. And it's so sad because there are videos that they're making us Zimbabwean minister saying Zimbabwe is not a banana country. That means South Africa is a banana country. Guys, we all know 60% of crime, 60% of crime in South Africa is on foreigners. Zimbabwe being top of the list. We are not saying we don't want abantu bangaphandle. Let's just be honest. We are not saying we don't want abantu bangaphandle, but we do want abantu bangaphandle who have documents so that mangabe uyenza into uzokwazi ukushesha utholakala. You get me? Because mina mangasuka la let's say a South African isuke KZN iyoyenza ukuganga eGauteng, even if ingabaleki buyele KZN, one of the good days bazoyibamba, you understand. But laba bangaphandle they cannot even good power, even because especially Nigerians, because I'm not sure whether it's true, but someone once told me with Nigerian they do not use the fingerprint system. So that is why it's so difficult when a Nigerian person a commit a crime, so bambambe a South Africans, it is so difficult, even if no man is like it will be so difficult. And that is why I'm a Nigerian, even you'll hear I'm a Nigerians uyuza i-driver's license kabhuti wakhe, uyuza i-degree yakabhuti wakhe, uyuza iwathatha kabhuti wakhe washona. We have those stories just because they believe ukuthi, you know what, anyeke bawam, just because of the system they are using in Nigeria. And guys, if you could go to Zimbabwe or Nigeria, you'll hear them, they'll say there is no crime. Hayi ukuthi akuna crime just because bona bangasikhibe, akuna crime because of imithetho yakumasemakrentini yabo. It is so difficult, and some of them they even say ijele lase-South Africa limnandi just because uyadla, ulala udlile, uvuka kamnandi, uzele la uyakhona. You get me? It is so sad, guys. It is so sad because crime is really affecting South Africa, and it's really affecting tourism, because ama-tourists abaningi, they don't want to come to South Africa because of crime. It is so sad. But please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.